Today we're doing an exploration of modes, and we're going to look at that within the context of the first phrase from Oak by Melly Hay. Circled here you can see that we clearly have the key signature of G, so just an F sharp, indicating we're in G major here. Looking forward a little bit more, we can see we've got this E to G constant movement in the viola part there. In G major, that's scales degree 6 to 1, just over and over again. Not too unusual for G major. But then if we move forward to where the melody begins in bar 3 here, we see that it clearly starts on a C. And in combination with the E to G movement up the top there, this makes a G major chord. Until we reach this F sharp down here. Everything that we're looking at indicates that we're in C major, apart from the key signature, until we reach that F sharp, and then all of a sudden it doesn't really sound C major anymore. So the question is this in G major or is this in C major? And the answer is neither. This is what we call modal. This piece is in a mode. So to look at this a little bit more closely, Oak is in what we call the Lydian mode. And the Lydian mode is a scale built from the 4th degree of a major scale. Let's look at how we would construct this. If I took just a normal G major scale, and then I isolated the 4th scale degree from that, which in this case is a C, and then I rebuilt the scale exactly the same accidental, same key signature as G, except I've started on a C, we can see that we end up having an interesting looking scale. It's a C scale, except it's got this F sharp in it. And that is how all Lydian scales are built. Using the 4th degree from any scale, rebuilding it, you will always end up with a scale with a sharp 4. And that is what we call a Lydian scale. And that's what Oak is in, at least at the beginning of this piece, it is in Lydian mode, using a C Lydian scale. There are actually 7 modes that can be used in music, and all of them can be built from a major scale. So if we were to once again just continue looking at building it from a G major scale, we'd have A Dorian as the second one. We would have a B Phrygian as the third one. Once again, a C Lydian as the 4th. We would have a D Mixolydian as the 5th. An E Aeolian as the 6th. And an F sharp Locrian as the 7th. And you can listen to and analyse more closely the way that these different modes and scales are built by exploring the template that is included within this lesson.